Hi everyone, this is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to fix no signal on Amazon Fire Stick. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to simply donate to our channel. That will be super helpful. So what you can do is here we have a couple of solutions. First, you can simply restart the Fire Stick TV, and if that doesn't work out, you can ensure you're using the connection equipment that came with the device. Ensure the device plugged into a power outlet, not a USB port into your television, and disconnect the Fire Stick from the HDMI port, then plug it back in. So these are some of the solutions that you can propose, and if these still doesn't seem to be working and the error is persistent, you can apply some other as well, like for example restarting your devices, resetting it, and hard resetting it, simply plugging out of your outlet and leaving for about 1 hour and stuff like that. So if you still have any questions, you can leave us in the comments and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible. That wraps up our video. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply donate, guys. That will be super awesome and helpful. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you guys around in the next video.